Welcome everyone to my new video for Lucid trading prop firm taking care about their major update. I'm gonna explain you something and share with you all the details of their exciting new plan, Lucid Daily, guys. This is breaking the space of props, breaking the market, and this is pretty much going parabolic for Lucid. If we were talking about the best company in the space, now obviously they're coming out with something that perfectly fits to a such standard. So daily payouts, no consistency, and fully customizable plans on a prop firm that has more than 350,000 traders and paid out more than $400 million. The average payout time is minutes, right? So you request your payout, you get it in minutes. Our community members that are trading with me on the daily live stream have been experiencing that for a while. It is by far the best prop firm. Now, Lucid Daily, guys. Lucid Daily is what we're going to break down, and it's discoverable inside your dashboard area. That's the place you can see you got to log into. You got to get into your portal. Inside your dashboard area is discoverable. Here's the account we're going to talk about. It's certainly not before for those of you that care. You can join our $50,000 Lucid Pro account that I'm giving out as giveaway today. So you gotta like the video. That's how you participate this giveaway. Like the video you're watching, subscribe to this YouTube channel. We're streaming from Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. EST time. We're trading on multiple props, including Lucid, and of course running daily giveaways. So we're running education, having a strong community of traders, helping each other and building towards a positive contribution to the space and doing that stuff daily. And the third thing you got to do is comment on this video. The winner is going to be picked randomly from the comments area on August 27th on the live stream, and we're going to post the winner in the comments area afterwards, so you can check that out. And by the way, of course, scramble coupon code for maximum discount on Lucid platform at any moment for any plan. Keep that in mind. Basically, I just made a little image here. The links are in the comments area or description area. You can check the links from there. You can use the coupon from there and all the details right there. Thank you so much, guys. Now, daily payouts, no payout caps, fully customizable, end of the day or intraday as you decide, daily loss limit or no daily loss limit, unlimited evaluations, no activation fee, max 5 funded, and you can request your first payout in the second trading day after the purchase, which is huge, guys. So you buy an account today, tomorrow you can already request a payout. I'm going to explain you how and why, and you will see this whole process. We're going to have a video series, guys, with this Lucid Daily because it's insane and there are so many things to talk about. So many things to talk about. By the way, you certainly want to join our Discord community, guys, and the prop firms. It's all in the comments area. So here we go, guys. Let's get into the Lucid Daily. We have 25,000, 50, 100, and 150. We have 4 different plans. The best ones are the 50,000 and the 150,000, and the most popular. Like I told you, the plans Lucid Daily can be found inside your dashboard area, and you got to log into your portal. So let's just take it step by step. It's evaluation model that you pass and you become funded. The payouts are requested in the funded stage. The evaluation model, we're looking at the model right now with a profit target on 6%, right? So it's the classic 6%, nothing changes there. The max loss is the same values like for Lucid Pro or Flex, 2,000 for 50K, 4,000. We got used to these numbers and they are great. Now, this is where the big deal changes, guys, because the drawdown is having the possibility to be selected by you. You can go end of the day drawdown or you can go intraday drawdown. And there is a big difference between this. Let me share with you the differences. So the end of the day drawdown is calculated using your account balance at the end of the day of each trading session, right? Which means it does not matter what happens during the day with your balance. Your max loss is not moving based on what happens during the day. No, your max loss is going to be calculated from your end of the day balance. So the next day, you clearly know what's your max loss from that level, and that's it. Unrealized gains or losses do not affect this drawdown at all. Certainly. But the intraday is different because that's exactly what it does. Drawdown is monitored continuously throughout the trading session, and it takes your highest, the peak of your balance, right, throughout the trading session, considering the unrealized profits and losses are included, right? So your unrealized trades are included in this. If you have a trade that is making $1,000 in profits, but you're not closing it, that 1,000 there is going to be counted in this model of drawdown, which is why I'm not a big fan of. I'm not a big fan of intraday. 99% of the people are not a big fan of, and it's obviously understandable. Therefore, if you go intraday, prices are cheaper. But it's not worth the difference. I can tell you it's not worth. I would certainly go end of the day no matter what. This is making the difference, guys, between reaching a payout or getting kicked out due to drawdown model. And that's bottom line. Daily loss limit. Well, this is a matter of taste. Daily loss limit, again, is customizable. If you want a daily loss limit, you just turn it on and it tells you what is it. Daily loss limit. Basically, we have 1,200 for the 50K. We have 2,700 for the 150K. It's a soft breach. You don't lose your account when the daily loss limit is touched, but you get stopped out to trade for the day. So you can resume the next day if you have basically available balance. You can turn it off and run without a daily loss limit. This is not affecting at all. I told you, this is customizable. So the drawdown is customizable and the daily loss is customizable. These are the two things that are customizable. Consistency, 50% in the evaluation stage, which means you trade today, you trade tomorrow, and that's it. You can already trade tomorrow, the next day in the funded stage. And having no consistency, right, in the funded stage, you do the money that you're allowed to cash out already the next day, which is why I told you today you're buying, tomorrow you request your payout if everything's running smoothly, because you're doing 50% today, 50% tomorrow. There's no activation fee to upgrade your account into funded. You can upgrade your account into funded in a matter of minutes after you pass the evaluation, right? So if you're going by 2 days for this, if you want to go around that 50%, obviously, you can trade for 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days, 20 days, or whatever. There's no monthly fees to hold on to this. So, these are the things. All of the accounts here have 50%. The sizing is the classic one, 4 minis or 40 micros, 10 minis, 100 micros. That's pretty much classic. Now, you guys want to go about the maximum discount scramble and see the way the prices are adjusting if you change the drawdown or daily loss limits, right? So with an intraday, it's a little bit cheaper, but the distance and the gap in the price is extremely small, and it makes the difference for thousands of dollars of payouts, and it's not worth it. It's not worth it. Plus the daily loss limit, if you have a daily loss limit, then the accounts are cheaper. Yes. What about the funded stage rules? There's a lot of things to talk about. That one for the funded stage. The funded rules will all be intraday, right? So you want to keep that in mind. For the funded stage, it's all intraday. It's not end of the day for the funded stage. You can only select end of the day for the evaluation stage. It's specified clearly. Drawdown in evil, drawdown in evil. But then when you go to the funded rules, you'll see drawdown type intraday. And this is no longer customizable. If I go back to my pricing and even if I stay on end of the day, right? Even if I select end of the day here and then go funded, it's still going to be intraday. So funded stage intraday. Remember, you have no payout caps. I'll repeat that. You can take thousands, $3,000, $5,000 from an account that you paid $100 in your second trading day. You can take that money out. You're certainly not supposed to expect to have this freedom and possibilities in an extremely comfortable environment for the funded stage, because end of the day would create you an extremely comfortable, that would be peanuts. Intraday is different. You just gotta get used to this and you're gonna make it work. We're trading daily these accounts and we're gonna present your strategies the way you have to trade this intraday, guys. Certainly, it's a whole different model. Max loss limit, daily loss limit, none. For the funded stage, you don't have a daily loss limit. That's right, which is great. But what about how, what's the cap basically? I mean, there's a lot of the people, I believe, they're not going to really consider there is no limit on the payout. Well, let's just walk around this. Not the live section, we've looked into this. Daily customization, we don't care about that one. I've explained the evaluation model. Well, we talked about, let's talk about the funded stage, guys. There is another thing for the funded stage you want to keep in mind. Yes, it is news trading not allowed. Not allowed for this daily, Lucid Daily model. For all the other models for Lucid, it's allowed. The way it's not allowed is the following. Trading red folder news in a Lucid Daily funded account is not permitted and is a hard breach. You must be flat from 1 minute before throughout the 1 minute after the news event. So 1 minute before, 1 minute after. Red folder. You may not hold or open new positions throughout that window. Your funded account will be breached. Keep that in mind. Your funded account. So it speaks about the funded account is going to be breached. How do you know this red folder news? Well, forexfactory.com/calendar. And you can go to the top right corner. You got that green button, right? You want to click on that green button top right corner. And you have the filtering. And then you want to turn this red folder. You want to click that. You want to click this. You want to make sure the settings are looking like that and then apply the filter, right? So all the events that are red folder will be listed. A minute before, a minute after. You don't trade, you don't touch anything. You avoid. It's not a big deal. It's not a big deal at all. It's not an issue. But what about the payouts, right? That's kind of the big thing here. What about the payouts? Well, the payout profit split structure is the same 90-10. You get 90% of the payouts, which is basically normal. Two requirements to qualify for the payouts. Profits over the buffer balance. You have to be over the buffer balance to cash out. The buffer balance is your max loss plus 100. That's the buffer balance. And here are the values listed. So if you're trading the 50K, you got to be above 50 to 100. So whatever is above this value, you can cash it out without having a cap. So you can take out, if you made 55 grand in your first day, yesterday you bought the account, you made 50%. Let's just simulate it. And share with you the way I got to that point, to that statement, you payment the next day after you buy. So let's say you go end of the day evaluation, that's totally fine, 50% consistency, the target is 3,000. So we got to do 1,500 today, 1,500 tomorrow. We're respecting consistency and target this way without touching $2,000 max loss. Absolutely fine. Great. Tomorrow we did our 1,500 and we upgrade the account for the funded stage in 2-3 minutes after we do this. Then we trade in the funded stage. So the funded stage is having a 2,100 buffer. I'll do this 2,100. I have no consistency and I do not have scaling. I don't have scaling. I have no consistency. I can go max contracts if I want in the funded stage. So let's say I do in this day 5 grand profit. Can I take out basically 2,900? You can't take below the buffer balance. You have to take everything above the buffer balance. Let's see. Can we take 2,900 out if we made 5 grand in our first day? Well, yes, because you don't have a maximum daily profit set up in a strict way. Look at that. It tells you Lucid Daily is different from other plans, and it doesn't follow a strict payout cap per request structure. Instead, there is a maximum amount of sim profit that can be earned in a day, right? So there is a maximum amount you can earn in a day. If you meet or exceed the daily amount, you're automatically moved to live. So if you earn these values in a day, 8,000 for a 50K account, very comfortable, guys. 12,000 for the 150K, very comfortable in a way of not touching this and still having a lot. If you make $7,000 in your first day, can you cash out? Well, anything that's above the buffer, yes. What does it mean? It means the following thing. We have 57, right? 57. The buffer is 50 to 100. So we cut 50 to 100. Can we take out $4,900 in our first day if we earn that? Yes. You can take that on a 50K account. Oh, that's wild. The minimum payout is $500. And you're taking that money out in your first day, guys. Think about. Look at the 150K. If you do 10,000 in your first day, wow. 10,000 in your first day for your 150 will be 160, right? Minus 154,600, we're taking out 5,400. And we're taking out another 5,000 the next day. I mean, whatever is above the buffer can be cashed out. And this is incredible, guys. You don't have a limit unless you want to touch those values, but you don't have to touch those values. Maximum daily profits. That's not maximum daily payout. You don't want to touch that values unless you want to be moved to live. Obviously, it's down to your decision. However, this is the way it works. I mean, these numbers are not limiting you at all. 8,000 for 50K. 12,000 for the 150K. Do not tell me that's limiting you big time. You can do thousands and take that money out in your first day. Sit above the buffer balance and have a good time. You don't have consistency. You have daily payouts. It's insane, guys. It's insane. Wow. And then you need a net profit between the payouts of at least $1, right? So obviously you got to do another. You just can't request today a payout, tomorrow another payout without trading. You got to do minimum $1. You got to do that. However, this is really, 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 really outstanding, guys. It has extreme advantages. Look at all that money you can take out. An insane amount of money. Oh yeah. And I'll teach you to trade the intraday, right? It should not scare you on the funded stage. You have the option for the evaluation. Just go for the evaluation on end of the day. And then you got to trade intraday for the funded stage. But this is making a heavy, heavy difference. That model of drawdown has to be learned to be traded. And I will teach you that, guys. We're going to have a video series about this Lucid Daily on how to make a whole lot of money. Think about it. You do 4 or 5. You can have 5 funded, guys. This is insane. You can have 5 funded accounts. It's insane, right? Yeah, well, that's pretty much all about it, guys, in a nutshell. We're going to have many other videos, as I told you, with all the explanation needed. Keep in mind, Scramble coupon code for maximum discount at any point available for you, including with the cases, all that stuff. Everything is attached basically to this code. That's the way we got it negotiated. All the links for everything can be discovered in the comments area. Join the giveaway, have a good time, and let me know what you think about. Join our daily live stream, guys. Have a beautiful day. We'll talk to you soon.